Welcome to the Yaiki and Momo Show, starring Yaiki and Momo. We'll be right back.
Hello! Are you tired of having squinty little tired-looking eyes? Do like I do. Drink pots and pots of coffee. Ah, coffee is good.
We're back with the Yaiki and Momo Show.
Today, we have our guest, Wendell Agape, here to talk about her new Indian tribe.
How?
So, Wendell Agape, where are you from?
Wendell, you're driving me crazy!
I'm from Old.
So, Wendell Agape, I thought you brought a new product for the show.
Oh, yep. Here it is.
What is it?
Oh, Mamma Mia!
This is my new healing bone.
Amazing. I'm tingling all over.
Have anything that hurts? This fixes it.
Well, my elbow hurts. You think you can fix that?
What a bonehead!
Why'd you hit me so hard in the head, Winslow?
Maiki, how did your elbow feel?
Well, my head hurts so bad that I forgot about my elbow pain. It's a miracle!
You can get my healing bone from my website.
Marvelous!
Here, Maiki, you need this more than me.
Well, thank you for this. And thank you for coming on our show, Wendell Agape.
Yaman!
How?
We've come to the end of another broadcast of the Yaiki and Momo Show. See you next time.